Took your what?
Oh, you can have it.
Well, you wanted the end pieces?
Mm-hmm.
Well,
Where's my juice?
we'll take it if you really want it. I thought nobody wanted it. That's why I was being polite.
I wanted it, that's why I...
Well,
Made it. Josh
well-
made it.
Well, then take it.
Okay.
Oh, hot.
All right, Jay. Eat it.
Hannah, you want some juice or milk, honey?
What do you think?
Milk, please.
Good.
You have been warned, Grandpa.
Oh, he
It's
stole all the
really
broccoli
hot.
pieces.
I got one
It's
too.
hot. It's hot. You're gonna burn your mouth, buddy. His mouth is on fire right now.
Who's drinking?
Daddy's so funny, isn't he?
Whatever it is. And
Not really.
Now who stole my sandwich? Oh, it was you.
It was me. It was I.